Hey brother, this is the Captcha bypass code. Image to TXT Captcha, text Captcha. I will show you the Captcha. Wait a moment, check it. A5, this is Captcha. I get the Captcha code and paste in this. Okay, check it. Changing this Captcha automatically bypass using Python. Check it. I run it the file. I will show you. Opening browser and get link. Check it 7657D9 code and check it. Okay, this is a code capture bypass automatically. Okay, brother, check it the code. Sleep for 20 seconds. That's it. Okay, this is the captcha code automatically bypassed. Thank you.